Upon arriving home after school, the boys were hungry and wanted something to eat. I had some rice from the day before and frozen vegetables, so fried rice was the quickest thing I could make. Fried rice is a meal that's so versatile and can easily be put together with things you probably have in your kitchen. I'm not reinventing the wheel here. I share these fried rice recipes for those who struggle to come up with simple meal ideas. For the protein, I add some tuna. Please find the ingredients and quantities used in the description box below. I heat a wok and add some extra virgin olive oil, spring onions, mixed vegetables, and the spices and seasonings. I won't go through these, but they're all listed in the description. Otherwise, feel free to use your choice of spices. Once the spices go in, they absorb all the moisture. I add a little water and keep stirring until the vegetables are cooked, at which point I add the leftover rice. I continue mixing until the vegetables are evenly distributed throughout the rice. I adjust salt to taste if needed and add the tuna. Then I stir this for a minute, turn the heat off and continue mixing until it is well distributed all around. I served this to the boys, which was enough to sustain them until dinner. Thanks for watching and bye for now.